name's Ray Prince. I've been playing drums since the age of 3. I started playing drums at church with my brothers. My late brother Trevor Prince, who played guitar, and my other brother Glenn, who still plays bass, and I used to play drums. Been playing since the age of 3, and I've been playing for about over 40 years now. During my career, I've had the opportunity to play for some world-renowned musicians and artists like Beyonce, Knowles, Brandy, Usher, doing a lot of TV work with them. And currently, I'm the founder of Gospel Revisited Project, which looks at traditional gospel songs and hymns, and I rearrange them and present them with soulful, funky, jazzy, orchestral flavors and present them to different audiences. At the moment, I'm using Collision sticks 5As, wood tips. What I particularly like about the 5A sticks is the length. They have a great weight and a lovely feel. They really help me to make my playing really intentional and to execute my sticking correctly. The piece of music you're going to hear next is original composition written by myself and my wife Claudia Prince. It's called Since He Came, which we performed on Saturday the 14th of December 2024 at a Gospel Revisited Project Sing for Your Soul gospel event. I hope you enjoy.
Into my life, I've been since he came into my life.